If you're a woman in the Omaha metro area and you're thinking about buying a home after divorce, this video will help you avoid becoming house poor and financially overwhelmed. Because being approved for a mortgage is not the same as being ready. Buying a home after divorce can feel like progress, can feel like strength, can feel like a fresh start. Many women in Omaha become financially stretched after buying a home. Not because they were careless, but because they were not taught what real readiness looks like. Today, we're talking about how to know if you're financially ready to purchase a home after divorce before committing to a payment that quietly creates stress instead of stability. Why financial readiness changes after divorce. After divorce, your financial reality is different. One income instead of two, new expenses, legal cost, child-related cost, and less margin. And yet, many lenders will approve you for more than what is wise. Approval does not equal stability. Wisdom looks beyond what you can do and considers what will actually support peace long term. What house poor really means. Being house poor does not mean you failed. It means that your income is tied into your mortgage, utilities, repairs, maintenance, and property tax, leaving little room for emergencies, rest, giving, saving, and margin. And financial pressure often becomes emotional pressure. A home should support stability, not drain it. This channel exists for women rebuilding life after divorce here in the Omaha metro area. My name is Lynetta Anderson, and I am your local real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate. I provide faith-aligned encouragement, informed housing guidance so that you can move forward with clarity, confidence, and peace, not pressure. 5 areas to stabilize before buying. If you're buying a home after divorce, here are 5 areas to honestly assess first. Monthly margin. After all the bills are paid, do you still have breathing room each month? Emergency buffer. Could you handle an emergency car repair, a home repair, or unexpected expenses without panic? Debt load. Are your current payments manageable or already stressful? Maintenance reality. Homes require ongoing care. Are you financially and emotionally ready for that responsibility? Long-term sustainability. Does this payment allow for peace or constant pressure? This is not about perfection. It's about being well prepared. Let's use Carissa as our trusted example. She was approved for far more than she was comfortable with. She chose the highest price that she could qualify for because she didn't want to miss out. 6 months later, every repair felt stressful. Every bill felt tight. Every month felt heavy. This was not done because Carissa was foolish. This was done because Carissa trusted the approval instead of wisdom. And beautiful blessing, this is exactly what we want to prevent. Financial readiness feels like calm, margin, stability, confidence, and clarity. Not urgency, not fear, not pressure. Stability supports healing. Pressure undermines it. If you would like guidance tailored to your situation, you can schedule a discovery call when you're ready. There is no pressure, just clarity and support. Remember, beautiful blessing, You are not behind because you're being careful. You are being wise. A stable foundation matters more than speed. And the decision you make now will support your peace later. You're not just buying a house, you're rebuilding life. That deserves wisdom. If you are navigating buying a home here in the Omaha metro area and you want continued guidance rooted in clarity, wisdom, and peace, subscribe to this series, which was created specifically for women rebuilding with intention. Watch next why many women regret buying a home after divorce here in Omaha. Subscribe for guidance for women rebuilding after divorce here in Omaha.